is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, I'm sorry, man. I ain't made no videos, nothing like that. Yeah, buddy, there's the Mach 1. That sexy beast. But anyhow, guys, I got other things going on today. No, I'm not at Lee's Auto Parts. I'm at home in Mr. Mach 1's garage. Yes, I am. Let me turn this around and show you what I'm doing. I'm actually working on the Fairmont today. I'm sorry. I should have jumped in here and started filming this from the beginning, but I didn't. You know why I didn't? Because I was thinking on how I was going to do this by myself, and I was doing it. So I didn't film it, but I'm going to show you where I'm at and what I got done today. Oh, yeah, buddy. You can see, working on the rear end. So I pretty much got it all up in there, and I still got to do a lot of adjustments and this and that and the things that I got going on to get this thing up in there all the way. I'm getting ready to set the shocks on right now. So I figured I'd jump on here real quick and show you guys what I have going on. And man, is that looking good. And like I said, I still got a lot of adjustments to do, some measurements to do, you know, to get everything on there. But the main goal now is to get this thing on the ground. You know what I'm saying? So we're working on it. So I got this side all hooked up. I got the other side all hooked up. If I'm not mistaken, on these coil springs, I'm supposed to have this right here pointed towards the back, which I can still do. So I got that pointed towards the back on the same, on both sides. So that way, you know, things will be hooked up. So I'm gonna jump off here. I'm gonna put these strange shocks on. Like I said, guys, I'm working by myself. So let me get these shocks in here and I will bring you right back. Yeah, buddy. Well, it sure is a good thing I don't have alligator arms, you know, little short stubby arms, because I had to reach my arm up through the trunk and then go ahead and put that up there. Yeah, buddy. I got some touch up. No, that's just the light. But anyhow, so I'm gonna have to pick the rear end up a little bit, just a little bit, so I can get these to go up there, so I can get those lined up. So I may have to call the wife out here to while I pick up on the rear end a little bit, because I don't think this jack's gonna go up any higher. So that way I can get a bolt through there, and then I'll start tightening everything down. So let me get this taken care of and get the other side on there, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty now, here we go. So anyhow, I got the shocks up in there, and yeah, what a nice fit. Everything fits nice. I got it up on the jack still. Guys, I'll be honest with you. I've been beating my brains on what I was gonna do to get this up in here, because of, I can't expect the wife to come out here and pick it up, even though I know she'd try, you know. But so we got it, we figured it out today. I said to the wife, I got up this morning, I said, I'm getting that rear end in that Fairmont today. I ain't messed with that Fairmont in a couple months. It's time to get back to work on it. She goes, that'd probably be a good idea, because she thinks that we're gonna get this car on the ground, put it over in her she garage, and park her Shelby in here with the Mach 1, which will probably happen. You know, wife always gets what she wants, right? But in the wintertime, it ain't gonna happen like that, because Fairmont's coming in here, so I can work on it. Plus, I gotta get all this stuff up front here done. Oh. Finished getting this filled in there, getting it painted up, and getting all this painted up and ready to go, so I can start putting the front suspension underneath it, and then smooth my Bondo job out there. So we got a little bit to do. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm starting to work on the Fairmont again. So it'll probably be, you know, a weekend type thing, like on a Sunday and stuff like that, because, you know, I'm busy with the junkyard and that. You know, let me turn this around. It'd probably be like on a weekend, like on a Sunday and stuff like that. So that way we can get this thing together, man. Start putting together. Oh, yeah. And guess what, guys? Some of you already know this, but I'm going 351 Cleveland in this thing, baby. Oh, yeah. 351 Cleveland, aluminum heads. It's going to be a nice son of a gun. So the Cleveland, we're going to take it. We're going to bore and stroke it out to a 408. And we're going to have a little bit of fun with this bad boy. Oh, yeah, baby. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you watching. You guys are awesome. I don't care what anybody says. If they say anything to you, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. You guys have a great rest of your day. And, hey, thanks for watching. We got more stuff on the Fairmont coming. I got the junkyard stuff coming. I got some stuff on the Mach 1 that's coming. Matter of fact, June 23rd, the Mach 1's going to, yep, Donnie Wash. Yeah, buddy. I had to think about it there for a minute. You know, I'm old and I kind of forgot his name. Oh, boy. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys have a great day. Yeah, buddy, let's put some trailer wheels on this thing, man. It'll be so cool. Yeah, I think those wheels got to go back that way about a foot. No, I'm just putting the wheel on here just for the hell of it, just to be stupid. Yeah, I think it needs to go back that way a whole lot. That's all right. We'll get all that situated before we set her down on the ground. Yeah, buddy.